Assalamu alaikum. Simple and delicious moong dal and beans recipe. Add around 2 to 3 teaspoon of oil, a pinch of hing and half teaspoon of zira into the oil. Add 1 finely chopped onions, mix well. Now add salt to make the onions soft. Now add 3 to 4 green chilies, 2 tomatoes finely cut. Mix well everything. Now close the lid and cook for 2 to 3 minutes so that tomato becomes soft. As you can see, the tomato is soft. Half cup of moong dal wash. Mix this to the masala. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of zira powder. Add little bit of water so that the masala should not burn. Now cook the moong dal in it, and now here I have taken the beans. Cut these beans into 1 inch and mix this to the moong dal and cover and cook it for till it's done. Garnish this with a little bit of cilantro, and this can be eaten with any roti as a healthy and filling option. Enjoy this recipe and thanks for watching.